We are also, trying to solve a lot of these problems that have been discussed and very eminent points that have, come about. We too believe that, the government can be a big, very, big first step taker in terms of, walking the talk when they talk about, not just having all of their websites available in at least one Indian language. Of course, the three language formula is, what has been talked about the most. But I think the biggest problem is that the consumers of internet in this country, they are content hungry. We have already seen great data which has been shared by Professor Jha, which talks about that there are more Indian language users on the internet today than of English, but they don't have that content. So one of the first biggest problem is to get lot of content available on the internet, whether it is by translating existing content, whether it is by creating new content. So a lot of technology that needs to come about is in the content space, whether it is written content or it is, audio video content, educational content, entertainment content, informative content. Very important, banking industry, not just banking industry but even digital payments today. If we see that, a bank is where, people have money, and wherever money is involved, a lot of knowledge is needed, a lot of trust needs to be enabled. And whenever someone is making a payment, if we look at, an offline transaction sector, where you're going to a store and you're making a payment, you will find out all the information about the purchase from the shop owner in your language, get the satisfaction that you are paying, what you're paying for. But today, when we look at e-commerce, do we have digital payments happening in Indian languages? Yes, to some extent, but not entirely. So not only from, to increase the interaction with the internet in Indian language, but it's also a consumer rights space. If I'm giving you my money, I should at least know what I'm paying for. So, as an organization, these are some of the areas where we are doing a lot of work. We whether it is getting our machine translations to become more and more efficient in Indian language, which can add again more speed and scale to making content availability, or whether it is in getting these more and more websites and apps quickly available in local languages so that the audience has more to interact with. So these are some of the areas for us.